don't mind the mess, but today we are installing those puppies. This is what it sounds like right now with the cold start. Pretty loud. I'll give you a few revs. So I just got to Alfred's house. It is pitch black now out there. I don't know if you guys can see. So the first thing I'm gonna do is remove my intakes to make it easier to get to the demon bolts. They're called demon bolts because once they rust up, they're impossible to break loose. There's two up top, I believe, and one on the bottom that we're gonna have to get. And then two more bolts that are connected to the white pipe. So right now we're gonna take off the intakes. Okay, so we got one side off, we have another to go. This took us about an hour. These are devil bolts for sure. They were so badly rusted that I broke two of them. I'll try to show you. And actually, yeah, I broke two of them, and one was still good, so that's good because we actually need one of those to guide one of the, what do you call it? Oh crap, I have gasket maker. Cool, so all this rusty stuff we're gonna clean up and throw the new ones on. It's been actually almost half a week. I'm back at Alfred's house because the leak is so insane, and finally today I have the right Dremel tool to get that stubborn broken bolt off. So hopefully I can shave it off completely and then drill it through. If I can do that, then we're gonna install a nut and bolt through it and the leak should be gone. Okay. Okay. So hold up. Oh, come on. So that's the bolt I'm taking off right there. That is actually off. I just have to push it out. This is the one that's stuck. I'm going to be dremeling out. That's a demon bolt. That's what they're called. And you can see right here where it was all leaking. That's crazy. So yeah, we're about to fix that. All right. So nice. Let's see if the check engine comes back on. Usually it takes 15 to 20 seconds, but back it up for now. It sounds so much better now. There's no more leak. Oh, that's awesome. Unfortunately, we still have the check engine light, but we did fix the leak. Yeah, there's no more leak now, but we still have a check engine light. So I guess I did mess up the sensor, so we're going to be messing around with that later. So if you guys don't know, I have demon eyes in this car. It's smoking a lot underneath right now because of the gasket maker, and plus the test pipe's got to burn through. So underneath the engine it's kind of smoking a lot. The exhaust is smoking, but it sounds really good. And the rattle is gone. Nice. Go. Damn, that sounds so good. Wow. So I have the catless test pipes by 1320, and what else? Oh, and the SRS axle back exhaust. I'm thinking of getting a Y pipe soon because there's a slight rattle from it, but damn, that sounds good. out here in Mexico, about to launch it. Dude, it's wild. It's got so much power. It's funny.
It does. I mean,
for a pretty much stock one, just some exhaust work.
I wish that car wasn't there so you can just straight up just send